Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you the BoltRenders LaunchControl add-on, a tool that prepares your Blender projects automatically, handles sims, gathers assets, and can even upload your file straight to BoltRenders for instant render evaluation. So let's jump right in. First, let's get the add-on installed. I'll head over to the BoltRenders LaunchControl page and download the add-on zip. From here, it's super simple. Just drop the zip straight into Blender's add-ons panel. Once it's installed, you'll see a new BoltRenders tab in the N panel. Inside the account section, I can log in with my BoltRenders account, which unlocks direct project upload right inside Blender. Now let's move into an example project. This one has a little bit of everything: imported models, linked assets, textures spread around my drives, and a bunch of simulations. Inside the add-on, you can see a section called the Preparation Suite. These three buttons basically automate the whole process of preparing a project for a render farm and avoid the missing assets error you may have seen sometimes when using BoltRenders. Just like the manual checklist we explain in our tutorial, you can find a link to that in description. Let's hit Check Integrity first. And there we go. It has already flagged a few issues. Some assets are located outside the project folder, and some simulations still need to be baked. Perfect. This is exactly what we need to address before sending this project to any render farm. Let's start dealing with simulations by clicking Bake All Simulations. The add-on now goes through every sim, cloth, smoke, particles, whatever, and bakes them cleanly. And if any simulation uses disk caching, the add-on automatically saves its cache in a nice organized structure right inside the project folder. This alone saves so much time and prevents so many missing cache errors when rendering remotely. Now, let's fix those scattered assets. With one click on Consolidate Assets, the add-on packs everything it can into the .blend file, and then collects the remaining external assets into a tidy assets folder inside the project directory, so everything is now clean, professional, and portable, whether you're sending the project around or uploading it to a render farm. Let's run Check Integrity again, and perfect. All the issues are gone. All right, our project is fully prepped, neat, and ready. Let's save it, and now we can move on to the two most important features of the add-on. First is Export Packed Zip. This creates a fully packed, ready-to-render version of your project. You can send it to another artist, archive it, or upload it to any render farm, including BoltRenders, of course. It automatically collects all the project data. But doing a Consolidate Assets first is always the best workflow. Make sure all simulations are baked beforehand, though. This export also preserves the exact scene you had open when you saved and ran the export, so any render farm will target that scene by default when rendering. Next, let's look at the Submit to BoltRenders button. This sends a fully packed version of your project straight to BoltRenders for render evaluation. The add-on automatically handles the packaging, uploads everything, and shows the evaluation progress in real time right inside Blender. Just like with the packed zip, make sure to bake simulations first if needed. Also note that BoltRenders will render the scene that was active when you saved and submitted the project, so what you're looking at in Blender is exactly what gets evaluated. Once the evaluation finishes, you'll get a button that takes you directly to your quote on the website, ready to launch your render whenever you're ready. And that's the BoltRenders LaunchControl add-on. So if you want to try it out, the link is in the description. We're still growing, so if you want to follow the journey and help us build this thing up, feel free to like, subscribe, and hang around for more. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy rendering.